children, welcome to our new online session. So in our previous two sessions of our wonderful body, let us refresh what we have learned. The brain, heart, lungs and stomach are inside our body. These are internal organs. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. What are bones? These are the hard part. These inside this, if you feel hard, no, these are bones, and muscles are the soft part, this one. Okay, what do muscles do? Muscles helps our bone to move. Next, bones and muscles become strong when we eat healthy food and exercise daily. Okay, we should be strong to do any work. We must always sit, stand and walk in the correct posture, because the posture tells whether you are smart. Look at, by seeing your posture we will come to know you are smart. Okay, now let us go to our present session. In this session what we will do the exercises. Okay, now open 162 page in your Pearl Sem 1 textbook. Under it you can see get started. Okay, found it? Under it you have to write two things that are green in color. How can you tell that is green in color? With the help of your eyes. Okay, so what are green in color? I wrote leaves and guava. You can write anything of your wish. Next, nice to smell. What is nice to smell? Yes, flowers and soap. I wrote these two. You can write of your own wish. Next, cold to touch. What are cold to touch? I wrote ice cream and ice cubes. Next, sweet to taste. What are sweet to taste? Honey and mango. Okay, now tell me, nice to smell means what you will use to smell? Your nose, right? Next, cold to touch with your skin. Sweet to taste. Well, how you will taste whether it is sweet or bitter or sour something? With your tongue. Okay. You can write your own. You can write your own answers. Okay. You no need to write what I only wrote. Yes, you can find this after completion of your lesson. After your quick recap, you can see read and answer. You have to tick the correct answers. We can see can we see our head or lungs or brain? Yes, you are right. We can see our head, right? So, I'll tick here. This pumps blood to all parts of our body. What pumps blood to all parts of our body? Is those eyes, heart or lungs? Yes, heart pumps blood to all parts of our body. So, I'll keep tick on heart. These help the bones to move. What helps the bones to move? I recently told you, right, in our starting session. Yes, it is our muscles. Where is the muscles option? First is skin, stomach and muscles. Third one. This is our option. So, you have to tick it. Now, after your correct the tick answer, which are multiple choice, you will be coming to write true or false. Okay, you should write T for true or F for false. Now, before going to the questions, let me ask you, what is the picture here? It is stethoscope. Did you ever saw this? If you have been to doctor, there you will see this. The doctor will keep this in his ears and he will ask you to breathe, take in air, right? Then what he will do? He will see the heartbeat. He will count that and he will tell whether you are healthy, means you are feeling sick. Why all this he will come to know. Okay, coming back to our questions. Before asking the questions, let me tell you, you should once recall the whole lesson. Then you can write this. Okay, what is the first one? The brain helps us to think. Does our brains help us to think? Yes. Yes, it is true. So, the T is written over here. T for true. Next one. Second one. The stomach helps us to breathe. Does the stomach helps us to breathe? No. We will breathe with the help of our lungs. So we should write here false. So I am writing F. F for false. Next. There are more than 600 bones in our body. How many bones do we have? We have 206 bones. And how many muscles? More than 600 muscles, right? So, what we should write here? There are more than 600 bones in our body. We should write false. F for false. Next, muscles and bones help us to swim. Is it right? Yes, no? So, I am writing T. T for true. Means correct. Yes, not only to swim, for performing any action. With the help of the muscles and bone, we will perform any action. Next, we should sit straight and walk upright. Correct? Yes, we should always sit straight, walk upright, and we should always walk in a correct posture. Right? Yes, if you go to the next page, you will find fill in the blanks, choose words from the box. See, there the box is given. From there you have to choose the words and write in the blanks. The dash protects the brain. What protects the brain? The head protects the brain, and head is already written there. Next one you have to see bones and dash give shape to our body. What bones and what give shape to our body? Bones and muscles. So I am writing muscles over here. Next, dash covers the bones and the muscles. What covers the bones? Skin covers the bones and muscles. So I wrote the skin over there. Muscles are fixed to the dash. Muscles are fixed to bones. We must sit and stand. How we should sit and stand? We must always sit and stand straight. Okay? D and D are your question and answers. I am going to give them as a worksheet. Okay. Next, after that you will find enrichment activities. Under it, the first one is activity, which is rearrange the letters to get the name of some bony parts of our body. Means that parts are bony. They will be hard. The first one is written for you. It is wrist. Is our wrist bony part? Yes, no? Next. The second one is chin. Is the bony part? Feel once. Is it hard or soft? Next. Knee. Feel your knee. How it is? Hard or soft? Next. Next one is finger. Is it hard? Yes, I am feeling it hard. Next. Our elbow. Is this elbow hard? Next. Toes. Do you feel them hard? How many toes? 10, right? You feel them hard? No? So these are the bony parts of our body. These are scrambled, which you have to arrange them and write them correctly. Okay? Now here comes the interesting part of this session. You all like to do projects, right? Now, do you know sports persons? Yes, cricket, those who play cricket, football, hockey, shuttle, gun shooting, rifle shooting, athletics, all these are sports persons. They will do exercise regularly. Means daily they will do the exercises. This makes their muscles strong. Okay, you also learn some exercises that makes your bones and muscles strong. Now, what you will do, what the project I am giving is, on a sheet of chart paper, write the name of the sports person you like the most. Okay? Name of the sport he or she plays. Name of another sports person who plays that sport. See, for example, name of the sport person you like the most is, I like the Saurabh Ganguly the most. So I'll write the name on a sheet of chart paper. I'll write the name, first name of the sports person you like the most. Under it I'll write Saurabh Ganguly. Name of the sport he or she plays. So I'll write what he'll play. He'll play cricket. I'll write that. Name of another sports person who plays that sport. Name of the another sports person means I'll write Tendulkar. Tendulkar also plays cricket, no? I'll write his name. You have to complete this project and submit to me, okay? Now, turn your page. You will find fun to do. Under this, what we will do is, I'll tell you an action which you will do and you have to tell which part of your body do you use to perform that action. What is the first one? See, what is the first one? Throw a cricket ball. For throwing a ball, what you will use? You will use your hands or arms, right? So I have written hands, H-A-N-D-S and A-R-M-S, arms over there. Next, what is the second one? Smell a flower. How you will smell a flower? With the help of your nose. So write nose over there. Next, run in a park. In a park or a road or at home, how you will run? With the help of your legs, right? Isn't it? So write the legs over there. L-E-G-S. Next, read a book. How you will read a book? You will see a book with your eyes, right? Then you will read. So I have written E-Y-E-S, eyes over there. Next, paint a picture. How you will paint a picture? With the help of your hands, right? So I have written H-A-N-D-S, hands. Next, listen to the music. How you will listen to a music? With the help of your ears. So I have written E-A-R, ear. Okay. Moving further, you will find a life skill. See, stay fit. Do this simple stretching exercise. If you do this simple stretching exercise, you will be fit. Okay. First, you should stand erect and you should not bend your knees. I'll be giving you a picture after this reading. You should do like that. Raise your arms up like this and then bring them down and touch your toes. Slowly get back to the original position and you should do this 3 times. Now let me show the picture for you. Okay? See, you should do like this. See here. The knees were straight, they are not bending, right? And you should stretch your arms and then you should touch your toes here. See, the person here is touching his toes. So you should touch and you should come back to the first position. See, this is first position and this is the second one. After bending and catching your toes, you should again come back to this first position. You should do this daily 3 times. And here I am giving some simpler exercises for you to do daily. Okay, it takes hardly 10 minutes to do these exercises which make your bones and muscles healthy. You can practice this at home. Okay, but mind, be careful, do via in adult supervision only. It means you should do this exercise when your mother or father are along with you. Next, coming down on the same page, you can find value. Now look at these children. You can see in first picture, the boy is not having a leg. And the second picture, the girl is sitting in a wheelchair. And in the third picture, that boy is using a stick because he cannot see. They have special needs, but they are like us. They are children like us only, okay? Like you. They feel happy, hungry or sad like we do. They also enjoy playing as much as we do. Means they also want to play like you only. As they cannot walk, what they will do? What are the games that you would like to play with them? First of all, would you like to be friends with them? Would you like to be making friends, doing friendship with them? If you ask me, I would tell yes. I like to do friendship with them. So I am writing yes over here. Okay. Okay. Now, what games would you like to play with them? You can play games like caroms, chess, drawing and painting, right? But what happened is the third kid cannot see. So he cannot play caroms, chess, drawing and painting. So what we can do with him? We can listening to music. We can listen music along with him. And we can play some musical games with him. Okay, so you should always make friends with these people. Okay, they need a special, they want some special needs. You should provide them being your friend. Okay, and with this our chapter 1, our wonderful body in EVS is completed. Okay, now after this I will post you the worksheet in EVS on this weekend, so you have to solve them and submit to me. And regarding question and answers, I will post you. Okay, you have to write it down neatly in your EVS classwork and show it to me. Hari Om and thank you.